Veronica Campbell Brown Foundation delivers back-to-school health services to students. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Veronica Campbell Brown Foundation, in partnership with the Ministry of Health and Wellness, launched its first back-to-school health fair at the Vere Technical High School in Clarendon, providing over 440 vital health services to more than 200 participants, including students and community members. Our first annual back-to-school health fair and wellness event was to provide essential services to high school students as part of the requirement to assess their physical health prior to returning to school. Our aim is to ease the financial burden for parents and provide educational insights about health and lifestyle, said Veronica Campbell Brown, founder and multi-time Olympic champion.
Hi, this is Veronica Campbell Brown. My foundation, the Veronica Campbell Brown Foundation, will be having its first annual Back to School Health Fair and Wellness event at the Vere Technical High School campus. I am inviting Vere Technical High School students and their parents to come out for these free health checks. I know that these checks are important for students in returning to school, and these health screening are vital for parents as well. So I'm inviting you all to come out at the Vere Technical High School campus, and I look forward to seeing you all.
The overwhelming turnout confirms the community's need for accessible health resources while reflecting on the highlighted interest in personal wellness. The day's events recorded 115 medicals, 95 immunization, 150 know your numbers, 50 cholesterol tests, and 42 HIV tests. Attendees were provided with vital screening services including blood pressure, blood sugar checks, cholesterol, BMI assessment, vision testing, vaccination, as well as ear examination, ensuring the comprehensive health evaluation for all participants and attendees on August 17. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.